So we're standing in the magnesium brine filling shed. This area is actually a food manufacturing and packaging area for export product. The shed originally was not lined, was inundated by rodents and birds, and the packaging was all covered in feces, dirt, spiders and cobwebs. So the team actually took on 5 S in this area for a start. So the first thing we did is we actually sorted out all of the disused packaging and packaging that had actually been contaminated. So we highlighted all that and got rid of it. We then simplified the system by removing all those items that we did no longer required. The team then took on cleaning of the actual area, making sure that walls were painted. They actually then lined out the shed and closed off all of the entry points for rodents. And then we ended up starting to standardise, and that's where the current priority still is in determining actual standard ways for doing individual tasks. So, as an example, we have our packaging material shed implements. So each of those have home positions so that we can actually see where individual items belong and what's actually missing. That includes cleaning, so that if something's missing you can actually see a red marked shadow board behind. Cleaning rags have minimum maximum levels for materials for cleaning the product down. And on top of that we have customer orders that are now displayed. As you can see, there's none there at the moment. We have a filling guide, so if everybody's unsure, that we can know exactly what packaging goes on what material, on what packaging, on what pallets. We also have cam cards that are displayed so that people know in what order we would actually like stuff done, and it's visible for everybody to see what has been done and what hasn't been done. We have a 3C sheet underneath that highlights non-conformances that we need fixing. And it's signed off after every customer order. We can actually see what was actually filled in, and periodically that's checked by the supervisor on the bottom. As we enter the facility, we've actually got people responsible for currently cleaning this area. That's done on around about a fortnightly basis. So each of the team gets a turn at that. And we have cleaning position standards so that people can see actually what's supposed to be achieved by the area. So the packaging shed itself, we have min-max levels for each of the packaging. So the min-max levels are actually displayed. So it's really easy to see who needs what material ordered and when. Behind us we have currently the record keeping and standard operating procedures that are being developed for each individual task. All of these items were actually developed by the team. We've learned as we've gone. Some of the suggestions have come from not only employees doing the task, but from external people. I think that covers it.